Can you guess these 1980s muscle cars? The 1980s brought back the muscle, blending raw power with bold new designs. These cars ruled the streets and became legends. Think you know them all? Test your knowledge and see if you can guess every 1980s muscle car. Only true experts will get 10-10. This high-performance 1980s sports coupe from Ford had a turbocharged V6 engine, giving it solid acceleration and handling. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang GT. B. Ford Mustang Turbo. C. Ford Escort G. D. Ford Thunderbird. SC. Correct answer, B. Ford Mustang Turbo. This car, introduced by Oldsmobile in the 1980s, featured a supercharged V6 engine and a high-performance suspension system. What car is it? A. Oldsmobile 442. B. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Oldsmobile Omega. D. Oldsmobile Toronado. Correct answer, A. Oldsmobile 442. This muscle car from Pontiac was designed to deliver high performance with an iconic split grille and a V8 engine. What car is it? A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am GT8. B. Pontiac Bonneville SS. C. Pontiac Le Mans. D. Pontiac Fiero GT. Correct answer, A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am GTA. This iconic American muscle car from Chrysler's Dodge brand had a reputation for its turbocharged engine and unique styling in the 1980s. What car is it? A. Dodge Shelby Omni GLHS. B. Dodge Charger Daytona. C. Dodge Viper. D. Dodge Dart Sport. Correct answer, A. Dodge Shelby Omni GLHS. This compact performance car from Buick featured a turbocharged V6 engine, making it a standout in the muscle car world during the 1980s. What car is it? A. Buick Grand National, Buick Regal, GS. C. Buick Skylark GS. D. Buick LeSabre. Correct answer, A. Buick Grand National. This car, known for its performance-oriented design and powerful engine, was Chevy's response to the growing muscle car market in the 1980s. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. B. Chevrolet Impala SS. C. Chevrolet El Camino SS. D. Chevrolet Blazer. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This sporty car from Dodge was a turbocharged beast, introduced in the 1980s as a direct competitor to the Ford Mustang. What car is it? A. Dodge Daytona Turbo. B. Dodge Challenger. C. Dodge Stealth. D. Dodge Charger. Shelby. Correct answer, A. Dodge Daytona Turbo. This high-performance variant of the Pontiac Firebird was equipped with the Trans Am package and featured a distinctive hood graphic. What car is it? A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. B. Pontiac GTO. C. Pontiac Sunbird GT. D. Pontiac Grand Prix. Correct answer, A. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. This Chevrolet muscle car from the 1980s had a V8 engine option and gained fame for its distinctive boxy design and powerful performance. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro Iroquois. B. Chevrolet Corvette C4. C. Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. D. Chevrolet Impala SS. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Camaro Iroquois. This iconic 1980s muscle car from Ford was revived after a brief hiatus and featured a turbocharged engine, giving it impressive power. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang GT. B. Ford Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. C. Ford Mustang SVO. D. Ford Capri. Correct answer, we see Ford Mustang SVO.